So Mama Jaden's Kitchenette and Lifestyle is here again to grace you with another interesting banana delicious recipe. Stay tuned.
Hello everybody, and welcome back to Mama Jaden's Kitchenette and Lifestyle. First and foremost, we want to express our heartfelt gratitude to each and every one of you who has supported us, whether it's by sharing our content, leaving comments, reposting, or, most importantly, subscribing to our channel. Your support means the world to us. Be sure to follow us on all our other social media platforms at Mama Jaden's Kitchenette and Lifestyle.
Hi guys, what's up good people? What's up my amazing viewers? On that corner of that particular plate, can you tell that is banana? Yes, banana. Those are mashed bananas prepared with pork and keto diet veggies. For pork and the other veggies, the recipe is already on my YouTube channel. You can go check out. But on this particular one, we are making mashed potatoes. So guys, I'm sure you guys will really want to know what happened to those bananas. And please, before we proceed, kindly subscribe, like, share, comment on this video, because this is going to make this video to grow, this channel to grow to the next level. Stay tuned. Nairobi, Kenya it is. You all be wondering why I'm holding this raw, well-chopped banana, admiring it. But anyway, since you clicked on this video, you already know I'm about to prepare delicious banana recipe. So hi guys, Mama Jaden's Kitchenette and Lifestyle is here with another interesting recipe. Queen of Mautamu. Yes, King stroke Queen of Mautamu. So Mama Jaden's Kitchenette here is about to prepare a serious, delicious banana recipe. Let's get into business. So to those who have tuned to this channel for the first time, please make this home by subscribing onto that subscribe button. I think it is on the left or right, whichever. To my returning subscribers, welcome. Thank you for the loyalty. Keep watching. Let's get a girl to 10,000 subscribers. You don't just watch this video, you also subscribe, like, share, comment, and this will really help this channel to grow. So this amazing day, nothing much. I just have my raw chopped bananas over here. And these bananas, some of them, let me say a quarter of them were fresh from the farm, then 3/4 of them were almost ripe. If I had given it time to ripe, maybe 2-3 days, they will be good to eat. Then I have a lot of onions here. I have green capsicum, salt, water, and a little bit of cooking oil. This is going to be very simple. Onto a clean cooking pot, I want to add my raw chopped bananas. Then I'm adding water. Then, of course, seasoning is important. And we all know with seasoning, salt is key. Just try and mix them up well. We are covering this. We let it cook until it is extremely soft. So this is about 15 to 20 minutes. So our bananas are about to be ready. It's 10 minutes down the line. So meanwhile, let's begin to dice our onions and capsicum. Crying babies, this is not your thing. So let's begin to prep our onions. Cooking oil, add. You will cook these onions until they get to golden brown. So by now you agree with me, a lot of onions is the main ingredient of our recipe. So we can add our capsicum as well. Meanwhile, our onions are progressing on very well. So let's continue cooking them on low heat. Our 20 minutes are over, and let's check on our banana. My daughter calls them nana. Let's check on our nana. So our nana is well cooked. Next thing, we mash. Just mash until they are super fine. So mine are now as fine as I want them to be. So next thing, the last step, we want to add in our onions bit by bit. Let's mix that first. Let's add the remaining ones. To me, they already look appealing to the eye. Cameraman, what do you think? Just hit on my foot. It's ready to serve. So our banana is ready. It's about time I serve the meal. Yeah. So let me teach you something. Banana lovers, can you tell that plate has mashed bananas? That looks really amazing, and the taste is top notch. The taste is amazing. To everyone who stayed glued till the end of this video, I don't take it for granted. Thank you for watching this video to the end, and you don't just watch. Please try out the recipe, take a picture of what you prepared, you put in the comment section. Let me know if the recipe is easy, if the recipe was worth walking you through it. Until we get on to the next video, for now all I can say is bye guys.